Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look at Bittorrent. What's the price change goes and Bittorrent, what's the current status of Bittorrent in the cryptocurrencies markets, and is it the best time to buy, sell or hold Bittorrent? I will show you in this video with a live proof. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the price prediction of Bittorrent. What's the price change goes and the Bittorrent in the previous hour. As you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of Bittorrent of the previous last 2 hour. That is the 2 hour price prediction. So friends, if you look the chart analysis of the Bittorrent of the previous last 2 hours, so the previous first hour is absolutely a good change occur in the Bittorrent. They take a high jump, but if you look the current status of Bittorrent, as you can see here, the last 1 hour status, the last 1 hour price prediction. So the last 1 hour price prediction is in the fall, as you can see here, and now currently they are also in the fall. So friends, the average change goes and the last 2 hours is about positive 6.05% change goes and the Bittorrent, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.009934 is the high price of Bittorrent. So friends, according to the price prediction, now the last 2 hour price prediction percentage, the change is a very good positive because they are positive. Now let's see the last 1 hour change as they are positive or negative. Let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction are also positive, so that's mean that Bittorrent goes up at this time. Positive 0.53% chance occur in the Bittorrent, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.009934 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour. That is the currently price and that is the currently status of Bittorrent you are watching now on screen. So friends, if we talk about the price analysis chart of the Bittorrent, so as you know, they are currently in the falling, but don't worry about the falling of Bittorrent because the previous chart tell us, the previous chart, as you can see here, they take a jump and after a jump they again fall down and again take a jump, and now currently it's again a falling period of the Bittorrent starts. After a small falling they again take a high explosion. So wait for their best time, wait for your time. The big pumps and then the big explosion of the Bittorrent are coming soon. So please, my suggestion for you to please hold your Bittorrent coin with the last half this month because the big explosion are coming soon. And if you want to buy a Bittorrent, so it's absolutely a bad time to buy Bittorrent. When the Bittorrent explosion starts, it's the best time for you to buy Bittorrent. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also share your opinion in the comment box about Bittorrent.